on, baby. Yeah. Well, come on. Are you going to come and play? That's what I'm thinking. I like this little girl. She's getting some really nice rosettes on her. Oh, you think if you're up higher, you can get it better? Yes, look. Look and jump high. That looks pretty high. Huh?
This, before you put it in the laundry, you need to separate it before you can take it out. Okay?
He's not quite as aggressive after the toys.
Glad you got me.
Sometimes he is.